Ever wanted to make your own AI voice generator with code? In this video, I'll show you how easy it is to use the ElevenLabs API to create voices right inside your app using Python or Node. ElevenLabs is not just for voiceovers. It's a full API that lets developers generate speech from text automatically, perfect for apps, chatbots, or content tools. The API gives you access to the same realistic voices from the website, but with full control. You can pick any voice, adjustability, style, and even emotions. In Python, we can send a simple text request. The API returns clean audio in seconds. In Node, same deal. Just a few lines of code and your script talks back instantly. It's built for speed and supports batch generation, so you can automate voice creation for multiple projects at once. If you're building anything that talks, ElevenLabs API makes it sound human, not robotic. It's flexible, developer friendly, and crazy fast. If you want to bring realistic voices in your own apps, try out ElevenLabs API. It's one of the most powerful voice tools for creators and coders in 2025. Hit subscribe if you want more quick AI and automation breakdowns like this one.